Here's how to write the cursive letter C. Starting with the capital C, you're going to start up at the top, do a tiny loop, curving back up at the top, over and around. It looks a lot like a manuscript or a regular capital C. You just have this extra little loop at the top. So do a loop first, then curve around like you would normally do a C. Little loop, up, curve, and around. Little loop, up, curve, and around. Little loop, up, curve, and around. A lowercase c looks again very similar to a regular C. Instead of a loop, you're just going to do a little dip down. So dip, up, and around. Dip, up, and around. Dip, up, and around. Again, the lowercase is below the dotted line. So we'll try it here. Dip, up, and around. Dip, up, and around. Dip, up, and around.